In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, and darkness covered the deep waters. And the Spirit of God hovered over the surface of the waters. Day 1. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good, so he separated the light from the darkness. He called the light day and the darkness night. And that was the first day. Day 2. God said, "Let there be a space between the waters, to separate the waters of the heavens from the waters of the earth." And it was so. God made the expanse and separated the waters under it from the waters above it. He called the expanse sky. And that was the second day. Day 3. God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered together into one place, and let dry ground appear." And it was so. God called the dry ground land, and the waters seas. Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, plants yielding seeds and trees bearing fruit with seed in it." And it was so. God saw that it was good. And that was the third day. Day 4. God said, "Let there be lights in the sky to separate the day from the night, and let them serve as signs to mark the seasons, days, and years. Let them shine down on the earth." And it was so. God made 2 great lights, the greater light to govern the day and the lesser light to govern the night. And he scattered the stars across the heavens. God saw that it was good. And that was the fourth day. Day 5. God said, "Let the waters teem with living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the expanse of the sky." So God created the great sea creatures and every living thing that moves, with which the waters teemed according to their kinds, and every winged bird according to its kind. God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters and the seas, and let the birds multiply on the earth." And that was the 5th day. Day 6. God said, "Let the land produce living creatures according to their kinds, livestock, creeping things, and wild animals." And it was so. God made the wild animals, livestock, and all the creatures that move along the ground according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness, and let them rule over the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, the livestock, and all the earth, and every creature that crawls upon it." So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God he created them. Male and female he created them. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, and every living creature that moves on the ground." Day 7. By the 7th day, God had finished the work he had been doing. So he rested on the 7th day from all his work. And God blessed the 7th day and made it holy, because on it he rested from all the work of creating that he had done. This is how the heavens and the earth were completed, along with everything in them. May we remember the beauty of God's creation and honor him as our Creator.